And on the left-hand side, all the way from the United States, from Anki, Classic Cozmo. And on the right-hand side, all the way from China, from UBTECH Inventor Kit,
Alright, welcome to the main event. We have Cozmo on the left and the elephant on the right. Elephant on the right and the Cozmo on the left. You guys ready? Okay, looks like we're Cozmo's underneath the elephant, and not sure what the Cozmo stuff is doing there. That's pretty tough stuff. And it looks like Cozmo is right behind the elephant here, and the elephant seems a little confused. So I'm not sure what's going to happen here. Oh, yeah, looks like he's on top of him. Cozmo is struggling. Okay, looks like the elephant's back off and Cozmo is attacking him here. Oh no! Cozmo is stuck underneath and he's getting stomped on by the elephant. Oh my god! Cozmo actually lost this. Oh no! Oh no! And it looks like Cozmo is the winner by KO. Good job, Cozmo! Alright, so far Cozmo is winning, but it's not over yet. You guys ready for another round? I'm not sure what the elephant's trying to do now. Cozmo is kind of confused. Uh-oh, Cozmo's getting stuck over there in the corner by his actual so elephant is trying to stop. Elephant's got him in his hooks. And it looks like Cozmo is the winner. Good job, Cozmo. And let's get ready for another round. Alright, you guys ready for another round? Ah, looks like the elephant's doing some push-ups. Alright. Fight. Oh my god, he's actually getting hit by the front. Okay, looks like the elephant is just stomping. Cozmo's trying to figure out our approach here. Oh no, he's getting hit in the head. Oh my gosh, the elephant actually lost a leg. Oh no! It looks like Cozmo's going savage here and actually attacking him from the front. And it looks like the elephant may be stuck. We're gonna have to start that count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And looks like Cozmo is the winner. Good job, Cozmo.
Fatality.
Oh, that's definitely a fatality. Now, if you guys want to see anybody else fight in that battle, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.